What's up, everyone? Trevor Tufts here, live from the ultimate beach party. The sun's out, the music's pumping, and today, we're unlocking your X Factor. Forget perfection. This is about finding your unique spark and turning it up. Step 1. Figure out what makes you, you. Dig past what you think people want and tap into what makes you feel alive. Perfection is boring. We're aiming for unforgettable. That quirky thing you do, that passion that lights you up, that's your gold mine. We're about to bottle your magic and blast it across the internet. So grab a drink, settle in, and get ready to discover your inner superstar. Ready to find your sparkle? Let's get this party started. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Finding your X Factor. This is where your journey truly begins, and it's all about discovering what makes you stand out from the crowd. Your X Factor isn't some mystery. It's already inside you, waiting for the spotlight. It's that spark that makes people remember you, even after the party's over. Think of it as your personal anthem, the beat only you can drum. No one else can play your tune quite like you do. Don't copy big creators. Find your own rhythm. The world doesn't need another copy, it needs your original vibe. Grab your phone and brainstorm. What could you talk about for hours? What topics light you up, even when no one's watching? What weird skills or stories do you have? Write it all down. Sometimes the things you think are ordinary are what others find fascinating. Authenticity is key. People want real, not perfect. They connect with your true self, not a polished version. Your quirks, superpowers, that weird laugh, iconic. Don't hide what makes you different. Let it shine. Ask your friends, what's my vibe? Sometimes others see your strengths more clearly than you do. What am I uniquely good at? What do people come to me for advice about, or what do they always notice first? Their answers might surprise you. Sometimes your X Factor is something you take for granted. This isn't ego, it's market research on your personal brand. You're gathering clues to what makes you magnetic. Your X Factor is tied to your energy. Are you hype, chill, sarcastic, or bubbly? Lean into your natural vibe and don't force what isn't you. You don't need to be an expert. Your journey can be your X Factor. People love to watch growth and transformation. Document your learning, your struggles, your wins. Share the real moments, not just the highlights. People love rooting for an underdog and following a journey. Vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Visualize your ideal channel. What's the mood? Is it wild and energetic or calm and thoughtful? What do people say in the comments? Imagine the kind of community you want to build. That feeling is your destination. Let it guide your creative direction. Don't overthink it. Start creating. Action beats perfection every time. Make videos about your brainstormed ideas and see what feels right. Experiment and let your instincts lead you. Feedback is your friend. Your first videos might be messy. Embrace it. Multiple passions? Combine them. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected mashups. Your unique mix is your selling point. The more you blend your interests, the more original you become. The most unforgettable creators are the most themselves. They don't try to fit in. They stand out. Your perspective is your golden ticket. No one else sees the world quite like you do. Recap. Be a detective of your own dopeness. Hunt for clues in your daily life and celebrate what you find. Brainstorm, ask for feedback, lean into quirks, and experiment. The more you try, the more you'll discover. Your X Factor isn't invented, it's uncovered. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal what's already there. It's been there all along. You just have to notice it and let it grow. Now let's go find it. The adventure is just beginning, and you're in the driver's seat. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be unforgettable. That's what people remember. What makes you sparkle? What makes you you? That's your magic. Start now. Don't wait for permission. The best time to begin is always right now. The world is waiting for your unique energy. There's a space only you can fill. Your X Factor is your superpower. Let's unleash it together and see where it takes you. Ready? Let's move to the next step. Your journey starts today. Let's go. Your story is just getting started. Chapter 2. Defining your brand. This is where your journey truly takes shape and you start to stand out from the crowd. You've found your X Factor. Now let's package it into something irresistible, something that makes people stop scrolling and pay attention. Your brand isn't just a logo, it's your vibe, your signature, the feeling people get when they see your content. Think of your favorite artists. They have a brand, a promise of what you'll experience every time you tune in. That's what you're building. Is your brand luxurious and aspirational or down-to-earth and funny? It all starts with your X Factor, but it's shaped by your choices. Visuals matter, color palette, fonts, channel art. Consistency is everything, because it builds trust and recognition. When people see your colors or font, they should instantly know it's you, even before they see your name. Your brand is also your attitude and the way you talk to your audience. Are you the hype friend, the wise older sibling, or the hilarious storyteller? Give your community a name, create inside jokes. and make your followers feel like insiders. That's how you build loyalty. Decide on your content's look and feel. Quick cuts and memes, or cinematic and thoughtful. Pick a few signature editing tricks that set you apart. Your brand guides your topics. If your X factor is honest, takes on adulting. Your brand could be surviving your 20s with humor. Every touchpoint, thumbnails, intros, sign-offs, should feel authentically you, from the first second to the last. Details separate amateurs from pros. The little things add up to a big impression. Be bold. A brand that tries to please everyone pleases no one. Don't be afraid to stand out and make a statement. Attract your tribe by being unapologetically you. The right people will find you and stick around. Your personal style, clothes, hair, background, tells your story. Every detail is a chance to reinforce your brand. Curate your on-screen world to match your brand. Make your space as unique as your message. Brands evolve as you grow. Today's direction isn't forever, but it's your North Star for now. Don't be afraid to adapt as you learn. A clear brand helps you say no to things that don't fit so you can focus on what truly matters to you and your audience. Homework. Create a one-page brand guide. List your colors, fonts, 3 brand words, audience name, and signature sign-off. This is your creative blueprint. Your brand is your attitude, energy, and style. It's the spark that makes your content unforgettable. Define it, own it, and let it shine. This is your foundation, the launchpad for everything you'll create. Now let's make content people can't resist. The world is waiting for your unique voice. Ready for the next level? Let's go. Your journey is just getting started. Your brand is your superpower. Time to use it and make your mark. Chapter 3. Crafting Addictive Content. This is where your X factor and brand truly come alive, and where you transform ordinary moments into something unforgettable. Every great video starts with a killer idea, a scroll-stopping title, and a thumbnail that pops. Think of it as your movie poster, the first thing that grabs attention. Brainstorm multiple titles, use power words, and make your thumbnail impossible to ignore. Don't settle for your first idea. Push for something bold and original. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Start with a bang, a bold question, or a wild, unexpected clip. The opening is your chance to make them care instantly. Story is everything. Even tutorials need a beginning, a middle, and an end. Take your viewers on a journey they'll remember. Show the struggle, the transformation, and the win. Let your audience feel the highs and lows, the setbacks and the triumphs. Vulnerability connects. Don't be afraid to show your flaws, your mistakes, and your real self. Authenticity is magnetic. Pacing matters. Keep things moving with quick jump cuts, energetic B-roll, and on-screen graphics. Don't let your video drag. Keep the energy up. Sound is half the experience. Invest in a decent mic and use music and effects to set the mood. Crisp audio and the right soundtrack can make your content unforgettable. Show, don't just tell. Let your visuals do the heavy lifting. Capture the energy, the colors, the vibe of your story. Structure your video like a roller coaster. Mix highs and lows, energy and emotion, so your audience never knows what's coming next. Always include a call to action, but weave it into your story. Make it feel natural, not forced. Ask questions. Spark conversation in the comments, and invite your viewers to be part of the journey. Turn your comment section into a community hub, a place where people connect, share, and come back for more. Recap. Plan your hook title and thumbnail. Tell a compelling story. Be real, edit for pace and energy. Nail your audio. Make people feel something. Use music and sound effects to amplify emotion and excitement. When you do this, you're not just making videos, you're creating experiences. You're making art that people want to share. Your content should be addictive, memorable, and uniquely you. Let your personality shine through every frame. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new formats, new camera angles, and new ideas. Surprise your audience. The more you create, the better you get. Each video is a chance to learn, grow, and refine your style. Your audience will feel your energy and passion. When you're excited, they're excited. Keep them coming back for more. Make every video an invitation to join your world. This is your show. Own it. Be bold, be creative, and have fun with the process. Ready to hack the algorithm? Let's do it. Your story matters. Make it unforgettable. Lights, camera, X factor. You've got this. Let's move on. Next up, working with the algorithm. Stay tuned, because your content is about to level up in ways you never imagined. Your content is about to level up. Let's go. The journey is just getting started. Keep creating, keep sharing, and keep making your mark. The world is waiting for your story. Chapter 4. Hacking the algorithm. The algorithm isn't your enemy, it's your biggest fan. Its job? Find the perfect viewer for your video. Speak its language keywords. Use them in your title, description, and tags. Research what people are searching for. Use the YouTube search bar, TubeBuddy, or Vidic. But keywords are just the glitter. The real currency? Clicks and watch time, click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail must make people click. Audience retention. Keep viewers watching. If they leave early, the algorithm stops promoting you. Consistency is key. Upload on a schedule you can stick to. Weekly, bi-weekly, whatever works. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, pin the best ones, and spark conversations. Promote your videos on other platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. External traffic gives your video a boost. Analyze your data. Which videos get the most clicks and watch time? Double down on what works. Remember, it's a long game. You build a relationship with the algorithm over time. Feed it good data. Clickable thumbnails, high retention videos, keyword optimization, and engagement. The algorithm will learn who your audience is and help you find them. You're not tricking the system, you're working with it. Keywords are your glitter. Clicks are your currency. Upload like a boss, consistently. The algorithm wants you to win. Make it easy for it to help you. Your content deserves to be seen. Let's get strategic. Ready to build your tribe? Let's go. Next chapter, community. Final chapter, build your tribe. Views are numbers. Subscribers can be passive, but a tribe? That's your legacy. A tribe participates, creates inside jokes, and spreads your message. This is how you build a sustainable, long-term career. Turn viewers into tribe members by creating space for them. Your comment section is your first community hub. Go beyond thanks. Ask questions, feature top comments, and make your audience feel like co-creators. Give your community a name that unites them and makes them feel like insiders. Create traditions, weekly quandas, signature sign-offs, running gags. These rituals build culture. Listen to your tribe. They'll tell you what they want, what's working, and what's not. Acknowledge their input publicly. Show them their voice matters. Take the community off YouTube. Start a Discord, Facebook group, or Instagram channel for deeper connection. Spotlight your tribe. Share fan art. Pin great comments. Celebrate milestones as a team. Be the leader. Set the tone for positivity and respect. Protect and nurture your community. Every viewer is a real person giving you their time. Never take that for granted. Community is about human connection scaled through technology. This is your era. Lead a movement, not just a channel. It starts with one connection, then 10, then 1,000. Be authentic, create content that matters, and foster a welcoming space. Attract your people, not just viewers. Go find your tribe. Your movement starts now. You're the catalyst. Build something bigger than yourself. This is your legacy. Ready to wrap up? Let's bring it home. Your tribe is waiting. Go lead them. You've got this. Let's finish strong. On to the finale. That's a wrap on our X Factor Beach Party. We've gone from finding your sparkle to building your tribe. This isn't a checklist, it's a mindset. Show up as your authentic self every day. Your unique voice is needed. There's an audience waiting for you. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with one thing. Brainstorm your X Factor, design your banner, whatever feels right. The most important step is the first one. Just start. You have the blueprint. You have permission to be bold and unforgettable. The world needs what only you have. Step into the spotlight and claim your era. Thanks for hanging out. Subscribe if you haven't, and go make something amazing. Now go get 'em.